Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am today coming with this beautiful idea of making the magnet for Sankranti festival, where I have added lots of elements related to Sankranti, and the base I have made in kite shape. Since this is the kite festival and we have to add Til Laddu, wheat ears, sugarcane and of course small kites. So I have added all these small cute things to create my beautiful fridge magnet. And without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making Til Laddu or the sesame seed sweet. For this I am taking my handmade coal porcelain clay. I have just mixed little bit of yellow ochre into this and making a small ball like this. Then to create sesame seeds or til, here I am taking white color clay, just rolling it on my palm, taking very little amount like this between my finger, create a small drop shape and just flatten it. So you will find this super cute teeny mini sesame seed, and with the similar method I am preparing lots of seeds. So I have already prepared some seeds. Now taking back my ball, adding glue around this, and then just we have to roll it on the sesame seeds. It will automatically get stuck with the laddu, and wherever there are spaces you have to stick the seeds manually. So I am adding little bit of more glue and then sticking the seeds wherever required. And the super cute miniature laddu is ready. Now to create the plate, here I am taking 5 strips of black color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Secure the end using glue and the tight coil is ready. Now I am taking my quilling mold and just making a little dome, flattening the center part using any bottle cap or any backside of the bottle, so the outer edge will be raised and the inner part should be flat. Then adding glue on the plate and spread it nicely with brush, allow it to dry. And then on top of the plate I am going to attach my sesame seed laddus or til ke laddu. So in total I am going to add 7 laddus on my plate. And this is completely ready. Then I am proceeding for making the sugar cane stick. For this I am taking brown color clay, just rolling it on the surface and making a pipe kind of shape. And then we have to just create the impression after each equal interval using backside of knife. Like this. Then to create leaves of sugar cane, I am taking green color clay, just rolling it on my palm, making a leaf shape, flatten it up and create a center line using knife, just the texture. Just curve it a little bit, and similarly I have prepared lots of leaves. Now it's time to arrange all the leaves on top of the stick. And the sugar cane is ready. Then to create thread spool for our kite, here I am taking one strip of blue color in 10 mm, making one big tight coil. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of brown color in 2 mm and making one more tight coil. Then on top of this I am sticking blue color coil, and on other side adding one more brown color tight coil. So it should look like this. Then on both the ends I am adding one small stick which is made using brown color clay. And our thread spool is ready. Similarly I have prepared one more in red color. Then to make kite, here I am taking 3 strips of dark blue color in 3 mm and making one diamond shape. Sticking it on blue color paper, just cutting the excess blue paper around the edge, and the kite is ready. With the same method I prepared one more kite in orange color, and now I am decorating this with ball chain. So here I am using green color ball chain, and the blue kite I am going to decorate with light blue color ball chain. Like this. So the kites are ready. Then starting with making the wheat ear. For this I am taking 1/8 strip of light brown color in 2 mm, making a small leaf shape. Then taking one small piece of strip in same color and adding these leaf shape on both the sides. And between each leaf shape I am going to add one small piece of curved strip to give it realistic look of wheat ear. So this is ready, and with the same method I have prepared one more. Now I am proceeding for creating small pink flowers. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color in 5 mm, just folding it twice like this and start cutting small fringes like this. Now open the strip and start rotating it using quilling tool to create this fringe flower. Open all the fringes and the flower is ready. With the same method I have prepared lots of pink color flowers. Then here I am taking kite base of cardboard which is 7 by 7 centimeters, and in the bottom I have just added one triangle which is 1.5 by 1.5 on both the sides. Then it's time to cover this kite shape using beautiful designer paper. So I'm just sticking on top of the cardboard piece using glue and cutting the excess sheet. So the base for our magnet is ready. Then I am decorating the edge of this kite using golden color diamond chain. So using B7000 glue I am sticking this diamond chain. And the decoration is done. Then it's time to arrange all our elements one by one. So I'm starting with sticking my Til Laddu, and then on both the sides I am going to arrange remaining things. like this. Then randomly here and there I'm just adding some small white color pearls just to fill the gap and just to add little more festive look to our magnet. And the magnet is ready. Now on backside I am sticking strong magnet using B7000 glue and allow it to dry completely for 1 to 2 hours before using it. And the super gorgeous fridge magnet for Sankranti festival is ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.